HO2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Aloha poa ono, happy Saturday. It's a beautiful day outside with our weather. If we're taking a look in through tomorrow, it's going to be yet another beautiful day, but we are going to be seeing some changes. If we're highlighting Kahului on Maui, as you can see, a lot of sunshine, not much rain or shower activity. Wind speeds, though, that is definitely strengthening, and we're seeing gusts that are creeping closer to that 40-mile-per-hour mark. Now, tomorrow is just the beginning of the stronger winds. Monday is really going to be the peak of the winds. So again, that's all ahead of this red flag warning that has been issued going into effect tomorrow. For the threats tomorrow, really it's about the winds, it's about the ocean conditions as well. We have the gale watch for Ale Nui Haha Channel, small craft advisory elsewhere, but it's about that fire weather warning, or in other terms, that red flag warning for all the leeward sides of all the islands going into effect tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock up until Monday evening at 6 p.m. And that's the portion of at least the time where we're going to be seeing the stronger winds and the least amount of moisture inside the air. In terms for our surf, we still have those box jellyfish, and they're going to be here on a high threat for the next few days. 2 to 4 footers, 1 to 3 for the east, 3 to 5 for the west, and 6 to 8 remain up towards the north. Towards the north of the islands, we have this next cold front boundary. Now, that is going to be playing a part in terms of our weather come Monday evening into Tuesday. And right now, we're still keeping our eyes on the models because some are showing just to really remain for Kauai, Oahu potentially, maybe even some portions of Maui County, and not really so much Hawaii Island. Some other models are showing that wrapping around the island chain, getting caught in the trade winds, and really being brushed up against all the islands and its windward areas. But leading up until that point, we're in Monday right now as we see this restart. We're not going to be seeing much for the rest of today in through tomorrow, but as you can see, some of that pockets of moisture starts to make its presence known, and we're going to keep our eyes on that cold front as it continues to drop south. Where exactly are we going to be seeing the most shower activity and chances? So make sure you download the K-Trend2 mobile app and stay tuned with us. We'll be keeping you informed with the latest. For tomorrow, mostly sunny skies for most of the island chain, partly to mostly cloudy skies for the island of Hawaii. 88 degrees looks to be the high. So again, we have stronger winds. We don't have much moisture at all. In addition to the drought conditions across the islands, which we're now at 72% of severe conditions across the islands. Hawaii Island, as you can see, some of the red, which is the extreme conditions, the 4th out of 5 categories, even on the island of Maui and the leeward side of Molokai. That's where we're seeing the most intense. But again, that red flag warning is for all the islands, all the leeward sides, and here on Oahu is also the central portion of the island where that fire continues to burn. And tonight, we're not going to be seeing much relief. We're only expecting isolated showers tonight and isolated showers tomorrow. But as we get into Monday, again, that's what we're really looking at to see some increased rain chances Monday into Tuesday in particular. Fortunately, at least for us, to keep things nice and cool, those makani, those winds will remain breezy all the way through the extended forecast. Have a beautiful evening, everybody. Christy, back to you.